Handas Guangzhou Auto Parts Limited Company. We are the factory located at Guangzhou, covering the area of about 10,000 square meters and specialized in the development, design, production and sales of car accessories, interior, exterior products. We have a series of advanced production equipment such as cutting machine, bending machine, laser cutting machine, pipe bending machine, grinding machine, injection molding machine and other complete molding equipment. With nearly 10 years of experience in the auto parts industry, we provide ODM and OEM services. Customized products and designs are welcome. We are specialized in steel front rear bumper, running board, roll bar, roof rack, roof tent, body kits, semi-truck bumper and accessory, tonneau cover, fender flares, mud guard, tow bar, snorkel, headliner, headlight, tail light and fog light and so on. Our products are sold to multiple countries and regions, including South and North American, Middle East, Europe, Africa, Southeast Asia and so on, with excellent quality, competitive prices and fashionable styles. The company will continue to move forward in line with the business philosophy of people-oriented, integrity first. We are very pleased to welcome friends and customers at home and abroad to work together to create a brighter future.